Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn cursive letters I, J, and T. So let's start. Before starting written part of cursive letters, that is I, J and T, let's revise all the pictures related to these letters. So we are going to start with letter I. This is letter I. This is capital I and this is cursive I. Tell me, what is the sound of I? I says E. I says E. Oh, what are these? These are insects. Look, what are they doing? These are insects. I-E insects. I-E insect. And on which, what is this on which they are sitting? Ice cubes. What are these? Eyes. Or you can say ice cubes. So I for ice. And what is in her hand? Ice cream. I for ice cream. And what is this? Ink. What is it? Ink. I-E ink. And where is ink? Ink is in the ink pot. So what will we say? I-E ink pot. I-E ink pot. Now let's come to the written part where we will see some more pictures related to letter I. Look, this is igloo. I-E igloo. What is it? Igloo. I-E igloo. I-E ink pot. I-E iguana. I-E igloo. Now let's start making letter I. From where we are to start? We are to make slant line first. Like this. Now come down and turn it like this, okay? And put a dot. Letter I. What is it? Letter I. Now come to this part. Come to this part where we are given lines so that it will be easier for us to understand how to make it. As I have told you in all my previous videos that we are to start from the third line. Whenever we are making cursive letters, they all will start from the third line. So we are going to follow the same rule here. First, second and third. We will start from third line. Slant line, come down and turn like this and put a dot. This is letter I. Let me show you again. Slant line, come down, touch the blue line and go up. Now let's do without dots. As I have told you, slant line, come down, turn it little bit and go up and put a dot. Let me show you again. Slant line, come down, go up. This is the right way to make letter I. Now let's do the next letter. First, we are going to revise the pictures of letter J. This is capital J and this is cursive J. And what this girl is doing? She is jumping. J, J, jump. J, J, jump. J, J, joker. J, J, juggling. This joker is doing juggling. J, J, jar. And what is in the jar? Jelly. J, J, jelly. J, J, jug. What is this? Jug. And what is in the jug? Juice. J, j, juice. And what this boy is doing? He is doing jogging. So what will we say? J, j, jog. Now come to the written part. Let's look some other pictures which starts with letter J. J, j, juice. J, j, jar. J, j, jam. And this is jacket which we wear in winters. So let's start making letter J. How to make letter J? As we have done in letter I, same rule we are going to follow here also. Slant line, make a standing line, then touch the red line, turn it and make a loop like this. Okay, this is letter J. Now let's trace it in the given lines. Start from the third line, go up, touch the blue line, come down, touch the red line, make a loop and go up. When you are going from here, you are to cross it on the blue line. Let's do it again. Start from the third line, slant line, touch the blue line, come down, touch the red line, make a loop and cross it between where these two lines are meeting. Let me show you again where no dot is given. Let's start from here. Slant line, make standing line like this, make a loop, and we are to cross where these two lines are meeting. Where standing line and slipping line are meeting, we are to cross from that side like this. Cross it over here and put dot. Let me show you again. Slant line, standing line, make a loop and cross where these two lines are meeting. This is the right way to make letter J. Let's do the other letter, and that is letter T. Before starting the written part, let's revise all the pictures that are related to letter T. Which picture is this? It is a tiger. What is it? Tiger. So how we are going to read? Teeter tiger. Teeter tiger. Teeter train. Teeter train. And what is it in her hand? Tomato. Teeter tomato. Teeter torch. What is it? Torch. Teeter torch. And what this girl is doing? She is watching a television. This is a picture of television in which she is watching a tiger. Teeter television. Teeter tiger. Teeter teddy bear. Teeter top. Teeter telephone. So our pictures are done. Let's see some other pictures which are related to letter T. Look, this boy is running to get the train, right? Yes. Look, here we have some other pictures also. Teeter truck, tiger, tie, tent. Right? Now let's see here. Teeter tub, teeter turtle, teeter tea. Now let's do the tracing part. Start from down, go up, come back, touch it down, go up. And at last we are going to make sleeping line. Let's do it in the given lines. First, what we are to see, we are to start from the third line. Go up, come down, touch the blue line and go up, and afterwards make sleeping line. You have to take care of the one thing, that you are not to touch this line till red line. Okay, we will not touch it here. Let me show you again. Start from the slant line, third line, make slant line, go up, come down, touch the blue line and curve little bit, and sleeping line. Now we will do practice how to make letter T without dots. So as I have told you, we are to start from the third line. So go up, come down, touch the blue line, turn it and go like this. Okay, and at last we are going to make sleeping line. Look carefully that I have not touched this part here. This is not touched over here, and you are to be very careful that you are not to touch it. Let me show you again. Start from third line, go up, come down, touch the blue line, go up, and at last make letter T. I hope you have understood how to make letter I, J and T in a proper manner, and you are going to follow all my instructions. That's all from my side today. Bye-bye.